Best Dressed Chicken is a proud sponsor of the Jamaica Observer's Table Talk Food Awards. We invite you to celebrate the vibrant and flavorful culinary heritage that defines our island. As we highlight the dynamic palette of our unique cuisine, you will see why we are the life of the culture. Not only do we pay tribute to the vibrant flavors that form the very heart of the Jamaican food scene, but we also take this opportunity to celebrate with our customers in the food industry. Jamaica's culinary world is positively sizzling. From the home chefs who create heartwarming meals for their families, to the intrepid entrepreneurs and culinary artisans who push all the boundaries, there is renewed hunger for delicious innovation across the island. The Best Dressed Chicken is the brand that ensures memorable and enjoyable experiences, with our products taking pride of place at every table. When you think about the vibrancy of our island, just remember that no authentic Jamaican food experience is complete without the Best Dressed Chicken.